醤油と一味唐辛子を中心にしたオリジナルの漬けだれに昼の間漬け込んだ大ぶりのもも肉。
Hey y'all, today we're diving back into the world of Shokugeki this week. On today's menu is the Sumire Karage Roll. Juicy deep fried chicken thighs paired with an umami-rich sauce, all delicately wrapped in a crispy bunzeo. Bunzeo is otherwise known as Vietnamese sizzling crepes, a classic and one of my personal favorite dishes. However, I've never made it myself, as normally my relatives made it in my household, so today's a first. And I'm using it as a wrap, so there's two firsts in one video. Before we begin, I just want to say that I cooked this dish entirely on a Twitch stream, so check out my cooking streams too. I also play video games and just chatting as well. But without further ado, let's get started. First thing is to marinate the chicken. Begin by roughly chopping apple and onion, then put them into a food processor to blitz and get the pieces into smaller bits. Pour the mixture into a bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, a pinch of salt and black pepper, then finally just a dash of cayenne pepper. Mix all of this together, then combine with the chicken thighs in a Ziploc bag. Massage the marinade into the chicken and let it sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Overnight is ideal though. After the chicken is done marinating, coat the chicken in starch. You actually have a few options here: cake flour, all-purpose flour, potato starch, rice starch. The most common is potato starch, but I use cake flour due to the abundance I had in my pantry. Preheat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and fry the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes on each side if not fully submerged. But all in all, you want 4 to 5 minutes total for the first fry. Of course, this is dependent on the size of your chicken thigh pieces. Less cooking time for smaller pieces. After deep frying for the first time, clean the oil and deep fry the chicken again for 1 minute to get that deep crispiness. Moving on to the bunzeo, there are 2 options. First, you can find pre-made bunzeo flour mixtures and use that. They're mostly found in Asian supermarkets. However, the second option is to just make the mixture yourself. And that is what I'm going to be doing today because I like to challenge myself and I also like to fail. For the dry ingredients, begin with 100 grams of cake flour, then 100 grams of rice flour. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. This will add a bit of flavor and give the batter that signature yellow hue when it's cooked. For the wet ingredients, add 3/4 of a cup of coconut cream or coconut milk, whichever you have on hand, and 1 cup of water. Combine with the dry ingredients and mix it all together until smooth and homogeneous. Preheat the pan to medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of oil. I found that this needs a lot of oil to get that nice crispiness. Pour out a thin layer of batter and let it cook for 4 minutes on one side. Flip and cook for 1 minute on the other side. Pretty simple, right? I definitely did not mess that up at all. Nope, did not mess up at all today. Now for the final component that must be cooked, the sauce. A disclaimer, the anime did not give me much to work on, and then when I checked the official wiki, the recipe seemed a bit lacking for me, so I just decided to wing it. Start off with rough chopping tomatoes and some Thai chili peppers. Cover with water and let it simmer for 15 minutes. After it is done simmering, drain but leave just a bit of the liquid. Puree the solids and add the liquid to get the consistency of a sauce. Season with fish sauce and salt and pepper to taste. I personally thought it was missing a little bit of that oomph, so I decided to add a teaspoon of miso paste as well. Time for the big assembly. Lay down the bunzeo, 1 lettuce leaf, a few perilla leaves, and a handful of cilantro. Place a couple pieces of the karage and then cover it with the sauce. Attempt to wrap the bunzeo in the makeshift wrapper and there you go, Sumire Karage Roll from Shokugeki no Soma. While the visuals may not be 100% accurate, it is still a great looking wrap, and I would definitely do this again in the future. Hope this video helped, and I'll see y'all for the next dish.